If you travel often, or even if you're planning your first big trip, this video is going to save you time, money, and stress. Today we're breaking down 10 travel tips and hacks airlines don't want you to know. These are real strategies used by experienced flyers and frequent travelers. Welcome to Travel IQ, your go-to channel for smart travel, luxury on a budget, travel hacks, and global tips. Tip number 10: check flights in hidden mode. Most people don't know this, but airline websites track your searches. Every repeat search also raises the price. Use these free tools in incognito mode. Google Flights, Skyscanner, Uber, Zalando. Search flights Tuesday through Thursday for best fares. Use Everywhere search to find cheapest destinations. Avoid searching multiple times without clearing cookies. Tip number 9: use the 24-hour rule. Most major airlines allow you to cancel within 24 hours for a full refund, even if the ticket is non-refundable. This allows you heavy checkmark: hold a cheap price. Heavy checkmark: rebook if the price drops. Heavy checkmark: avoid impulse regrets. Tip number 8: always fly with a digital backup kit. Save digital copies of passport, ID, boarding passes, hotel confirmations, travel insurance. Upload them to heavy checkmark Google Drive, heavy checkmark iCloud, heavy checkmark Dropbox. This protects you from your bag getting lost or stolen. Tip number 7: the underpack and upgrade method. Packing less actually saves you more. Rules: pack outfits, not random clothes. Bring 2 pairs of shoes back. Roll clothes instead of folding. Upgrade your space with compression keys, travel size toiletries, a foldable backpack. Tip number 6: airport time saver hacks. Use these to skip airport stress. Heavy checkmark TSA pre-check or global entry. Heavy checkmark mobile passport apps. Heavy checkmark choose left side security lanes, less crowded. Heavy checkmark fill up your bottle after security. Heavy checkmark check gate changes often. Tip number 5: protect yourself from dynamic pricing at hotels. Hotels change prices depending on time of day, how many people are online searching, your device. Use VPN to view rates from other countries. Hotel Tonight for last-minute deals. Com price alerts. Contact hotel directly, they sometimes beat online prices. Tip number 4: avoid overpaying for food and water. Do not buy food at your hotel or airport. Instead, visit local grocery stores. Eat where locals eat. Carry snacks for long flights. Bring an empty water bottle. Tip number 3: use stopover programs for full trips. Some airlines offer free stopovers for 1 to 7 nights with no extra cost. Example: Iceland Air stop in Iceland, Emirates stop in Dubai, Qatar Airways stop in Doha, Singapore Airlines stop in Singapore. This gives you 2 vacations for the price of 1. Tip number 2: the secret to getting a better seat. Try this hack. Keycap 1: check seating chart 24 hours before takeoff. Keycap 2: standby upgrades open if flight isn't full. Keycap 3: ask gate agents kindly. Keycap 4: dress clean and simple. Keycap 5: mention if you're celebrating something, birthday, honeymoon. Tip number 1: the carry-on survival kit. Never travel without these items in your carry-on. Phone charger, power bank, a change of clothes, medication, headphones, snacks, travel size hygiene kit, toothbrush, travel pillow, mini first aid kit. This protects you during heavy checkmark lost baggage, heavy checkmark long layovers, heavy checkmark delays, heavy checkmark cancellations. Here are some more bonus travel hacks that will make your next trip even smoother. Use airline social media for fast help. If your flight gets delayed or canceled, don't wait in long lines for help. Send a direct message to the airline on Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. Airline social teams respond faster than phone support. You can rebook flights, request refunds, or ask for compensation right through social media. Travel with a universal adapter. A universal adapter is one of the smartest travel essentials you can pack. Instead of buying different chargers in every country, one universal adapter lets you charge everything anywhere. Look for one with USB-C, USB-A, and fast charge ports. Learn the 5-minute destination checklist. Before arriving in a new country, do this quick 5-minute research. Check the currency rate, tipping culture, emergency number, local scams, and safest transport options. Knowing these 5 details will help you avoid overpriced taxis and tourist traps. Always book morning flights. Morning flights are almost always the most reliable. They're cheaper, smoother, and less likely to get delayed because the aircraft is already at the airport. Evening flights have the highest cancellation rate due to delays piling up throughout the day. If you want more travel secrets, comment more travel hacks, and I'll make a part 2. Thanks for watching Travel IQ. This video helped you. Hit like, subscribe, and comment your next destination. Travel smart. Travel confident. Travel with IQ.